Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to turn off auto renew on Patreon using the mobile app. Let's get started. First open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on the home page, tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, then select settings. This opens up your account settings. Next, tap on manage membership or membership. Here you will see all the creators you are currently supporting. Find the creator you want to auto renew with anymore. Tap on their name and then tap edit membership. Scroll down a little and you will see an option that says cancel membership. Tap on that. Patreon might ask you to give a reason for canceling. You can select one or just skip it. Finally, tap confirm cancellation. Once you do this, your membership will not auto renew when the next billing cycle comes around. And that's it. That's how you turn off auto renew on Patreon using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.